Ampalaya leaves, what are their benefits? Momordica charantia is the scientific name for Ampalaya, also known as bitter melon or bitter gourd. This plant is grown in tropical regions such as Southeast Asia and the Caribbean. Ampalaya has a bitter taste, as the name implies. Indeed, many consider it to be one of the world's most bitter vegetables. However, the medicinal benefits of Ampalaya leaves outweigh their unpleasant taste. The Ampalaya plant is grown throughout the Philippines, particularly in mountainous areas. This creeping vine can reach a height of 5 meters. Uses: Ampalaya extracts can effectively lower blood glucose levels because they contain polypeptide P, an insulin-like substance. How does it function? Ampalaya usually goes well with meat, vegetables, and seasonings. Tea can also be prepared by boiling the leaves. Many people, however, dislike the bitter taste. As a result, capsules containing powdered Ampalaya are now available. Precautions and cautions: only consume Ampalaya leaves in the recommended amount. The maximum amount of fresh leaves juice you should consume per day is 1 cup. Is Ampalaya safe? It is usually safe to consume as part of a dish. Consult your doctor if taken for medicinal purposes. Hypoglycemic action: excessive consumption of Ampalaya leaves may cause hypoglycemia. Because Ampalaya contains an insulin-like substance, keep an eye out for low blood sugar symptoms such as dizziness, irritability, and fainting. Allergic reactivity: consult your doctor if you experience skin irritation or rashes after consuming Ampalaya. If you have trouble breathing, stop using the Ampalaya plant right away and seek medical attention. This could be an indication of an allergic reaction to any of the Ampalaya plant's components. Special precautions and cautions: according to research, the bitter component of Ampalaya leaves can cause spontaneous abortion or miscarriage. Do not take this herbal medicine if you are expecting a child. Adverse effects: the Ampalaya fruit and leaves are generally safe to eat as cooking ingredients. Certain guidelines should be followed when using Ampalaya leaves as herbal medicine. The key here is to use this herb sparingly. If you have diabetes and are currently taking medications, do not substitute Ampalaya products or food. Although Ampalaya has blood sugar lowering properties, it cannot be used in place of medications for advanced diabetes. Before incorporating Ampalaya into your diet or medication regimen, consult with your doctor. A noticeable increase in bowel frequency is a common side effect for some users. However, just because you do not experience any side effects does not mean there is no effect at all. Diabetic patients are strongly advised to consult their physicians before using Ampalaya leaves as an alternative medical treatment. Interactions: if you are taking medication for diabetes, heart disease, or hypertension, using Ampalaya leaves as a substitute may reduce the efficacy of your current medication. Herbal medicine may aggravate or counteract the effect of prescription medication. Before using any herbal medicine, consult your doctor. There have been studies that show Ampalaya leaves have an abortive effect in pregnant and breastfeeding mothers, especially when taken in large doses. If you are pregnant, do not take more than you normally would. Dosage: the information provided is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice. Before using this medication, always consult your herbalist or doctor. What is the typical Ampalaya leaf dosage? You can make herbal tea with Ampalaya leaves, seeds, and flowers. Steep the ingredients in 4 cups of boiling water for at least 10 minutes. Set aside and strain after cooling. You can have 1 cup of this tea per day. Ampalaya supplements are a combination of fruit, seeds, and leaves. The next step is to dry and pulverize the material. Other herbs and additives may also be used. The powdered mixture is put into capsules or drink mixes. Because dried leaves, seeds, and flowers are more potent than herbal teas, use half the dosage. To make juice, you can also use fresh Ampalaya leaves. To effectively manage and improve glucose for the treatment of diabetes, take 1 tablespoon per day. What forms does Ampalaya take? Ampalaya extracts are available in tablet, capsule, or tea form. These items can be found in herb shops and health food stores. Fresh leaves can be juiced, and dried leaves can be steeped in hot water and drunk like tea. Without first consulting your doctor, do not use Ampalaya or Ampalaya leaves to treat any medical condition.